everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to delete Amazon account. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Amazon application and get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, now here you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner. That is the hamburger icon. Tap that. Once you tap on that, from the option available at the bottom, that is orders, buy again and accounts, you tap upon the accounts. Tap that. Here you will find all the information regarding your account. We need to scroll down to the very end of the page and there you will have the option to close your account. You tap that. Close your Amazon account. Before you do that, you need to read all the information over here. Scroll down to the very end and then you need to provide a main reason for closing your Amazon account. You tap on the drop down menu, choose the reason that you want. Then tap on yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. Then tap close my account. Confirmation is required, you will receive a confirmation link via email or text message to verify your request to close your Amazon account detail. What you need to do is go and check your mail. You can see on the top the mail, tap upon that. Now on the mail, you just need to tap on confirm account closure. Tap that. This will confirm the account deletion process. With this, the account deletion process is completed. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.